Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing 10 of these winter 2021 cases, cosmetic cases. So all I want is basically the train of thought, and that's really it, and that heavy hat. I don't know what it's called, but I think we should get right into it. Okay, let's go this one, first one. Okay, that's pretty good. Not what I wanted, but I'll take it. Okie dokie. And if I get three or so things that I don't want, I will gift deposit them to some random people in game. So let's open the second one. Okay, elf. Alright, not too bad. Third one. Oh, third one. Okay, that's pretty good. Next. Alright. Wow, okay. I will take it. Okay. I'll probably gift default that. Oh my god! Oh, what the fuck? I got a fucking unusual! Holy shit! It's for the fist pump. Holy fuck! I did not expect to get that. Alright. I will take it. Happily. Of course, yeah. Holy shit, I can't believe that. Alright. Okay, I'll gift default this. So far I'm gonna gift default two things. One last thing to gift default. This is, wait, hold on, I need to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the 6th. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna gift default this one because I don't have that one. So I'm gonna gift default this one. Well, I'm not gonna gift default the other. Like, I've got two of these now, so I'll keep one and I'll gift default the other one. Okay. Guess I'm gonna do a man versus machine video now. Gift default. Okay, that means I'm gonna gift default something else. Well, not really what I wanted, but I will take it. Let's just see the things. Sorry, my storage is a bit messy. Okay, I cannot believe I got this unusual taunt fist pump. What is? Damn, I don't have it. Alright, I'll just put this here. Number. Actually, I don't really care what number this is. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I don't mind. Give me some key. Okay, I guess I'm gift defaulting two of these. Hopefully with someone that doesn't have a hat. And the second one. Okay. Well, we have mostly had repeats. One unusual, which I really like. So let's put these ones here. I'll put that there, that there, that there. Oh, that's right. I had one of these. Festivizer can go here. That's a lot of stuff. I did not expect to get all this. Well, I guess I will. Wow, I cannot believe this. Let's see.
Right here!
Oh my god, it's the Love Heart one!
Come on!
Yeah! I've got... Where is it? I've already got the fist pump one. Wait, what do I do? Do I have to buy a second one? Wait. I've already got... See, I've already got...
Give 'em hell, boys!
The unusual for the fist
I haven't
pump,
got all
which
day.
is Love Hearts. But, Am I able to buy 2 fist bumps? I don't think I am I? If I'm not able to, I'll gift default this to someone very lucky. I did not expect to get that. Wow, okay. Huh. Oh my god. That is pretty fucking cool. Alright, so I got a lot of stuff. Got a Manco ticket. This. Well, gotta say, and transfer tool. Nah, this is 651 kills. This has only got 11. I am not going to do that. Well, that was really unexpected. Well, thank you all for watching, and I will be gift defaulting some of these items that I do not really want. And have a lovely day, and thank you all so much for watching. Please do consider to subscribe. You don't have to. I'm not forcing you to. But have an absolute fucking lovely day, because I just had a pretty good day. See you all in the next video.